Irresistible coffee chip cookies recipe. A caffeine lover's dream. Hey there, coffee and cookie lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat that's sure to make your taste buds dance. It's our irresistible coffee chip cookies recipe. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create these mouth-watering coffee-infused chocolate chip cookies. They're the perfect blend of rich coffee flavor and gooey chocolate chips. So, if you're a coffee addict and a cookie connoisseur, you're in for a real treat. Let's jump right into it. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules, adjust to taste. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 1/2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Dissolve coffee. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in 1-2 tablespoons of hot water. Set it aside to cool. Cream butter and sugars. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, usually for about 2-3 minutes with an electric mixer. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract and the dissolved coffee mixture until well combined. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. Add chocolate chips. Gently fold in the semi-sweet chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Scoop and bake. Using a cookie scoop or a spoon, drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes or until the edges are golden but the centers are still slightly soft. The cookies will continue to firm up as they cool. Cool and enjoy. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your coffee chocolate chip cookies with a glass of milk or a cup of coffee. These coffee chocolate chip cookies are sure to satisfy any coffee lover's cravings for a sweet treat with a hint of coffee flavor. Enjoy! These cookies are the perfect way to satisfy your coffee and cookie cravings all in one delightful bite. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did making it. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to let us know in the comments how it turned out and if you have any tips or suggestions. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our future coffee-inspired recipes and more. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep brewing, keep baking, and keep enjoying those delightful coffee moments. See you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.